Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, it is another DIY episode. Today I'm going to be making ornaments. So I picked up a bunch of these clear ornaments because I wanted to customize my own. You can see that there's a lot of blue in my tree already, but no purple. I didn't really find any cute purple or lavender ornaments, so I thought, why not make my own? It's something fun to do. You can do this as a date night idea or do this with your roomies, your kids, whatever your situation is. So it's just a lot of fun. I love arts and crafts, as you can tell. The ornaments look like this and the top of it just pops off. So I'm gonna go and switch over to my table view and I'll let you join me as I do my ornaments. Alright, so make sure your table is covered with newspaper or something, that way it doesn't get dirty. So for my first technique, I'm going to do spray paint ornaments. So I got my white, gold, purple, and baby blue spray paints. And these are the Krylon shortcuts. So you don't need too much spray paint. I'm going to put that to the side. You're going to need a large bowl because you're going to fill this up with water. You'll need some gloves, that way your hands don't get dirty, and like something like straws, popsicle sticks to clean the paint off. And you're going to need some paper towels to wipe off the excess water. So I'm going to go and fill up my bowl and I'll be right back. So I got my bowl filled with cold water. You want to make sure you have enough water to submerge the ornament in. And I'm going to do purple, gold, and white for my first ornament. I'm going to shake this up. Okay, so I'm just going to spray this into the water. Cool. Alright, so you're going to take your ornament, pop off the top. You're going to put in a finger and you're going to slowly put it into the water where the paint is. And you're going to swirl it as you go in. So the color is going to attach to your ornament, and then you're going to pop it up. Alright, so you're shaking off the excess water. You might have some extra paint at the bottom. That's okay, you can just flatten them down. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. So your paint should dry very quickly. Just make sure you keep shaking it. So hopefully you can see that. So you see my white, the purple, the gold there. Cool thing about this is that you can always layer on more color, and it comes out to this beautiful marble effect. I'm just gonna wipe the excess water so you can see that the paint doesn't really come off, and then you can just let it dry on the side. And then we're ready for the next one. So with that popsicle stick or your straw, you're gonna swirl it into your bucket of water because you want to catch the excess paint. So you want to do this because the paint here is already too dry for your next ornament. It's just going to clump up. Awesome. So you got a closer view. So for this one, I'm going to show you what it would look like if you dipped it twice in there with different colors or different layers of colors. So let me grab another ornament ball. Awesome. Ooh. Alright, so we got another ornament ball. Pop off the top. And put that to the side. Okay, set that aside. I'll just put it on here. I'm going to do white and the baby blue first as my first layer. So this is our blue. Very nice. Put in the white. Put in some more blue. Awesome. So we're going to put our finger into that hole and we're going to dip it. So we want to make sure the paint is on that ornament all the way in. And we're going to come out. Ooh, this one's super cute. I did want to have a second layer on there, so I'm going to layer it on with gold. There you go. And I'm just going to dip it right there where I want the gold to land on the ornament. And pop it out. So you can continue layering this as much as you want. Alright everyone, so here's a close-up of both of the ornaments. So this purple one only had one layer. So I did white, gold, and purple in the water. This blue one, we did it twice. So first it was blue and white. I let it dry for a little bit, and then I put the gold as the second layer. And these came out so beautiful. They look so elegant. You can get so creative with this technique. So excited. Alright, so for our next one, we're going to fill up the ornament with some glitter, because I love glitter. You can use whatever you can find around the house. You can put sprinkles in them if that's what you have. You can even use Epsom salt. So because I have all three, I'm going to show you guys how to do it all three ways. If you don't happen to have spray glue, because I don't have spray glue, you can get creative and use some hairspray. So we're going to take our hairspray. We're going to spray it in here. Sweet. Awesome. Now I'm going to take my glitter. I'm going to put a few in there. I'm actually going to make a funnel here now that I think about it. Okay, we're going to drop in some glitter. Okay, we're going to put back the cap, and then we're going to shake it up. Sweet, so I actually need to put in more glitter. Maybe a little bit more, just to be on the safe side. Awesome. Cool. Alright, then you're going to shake it up. That way it sticks to that hairspray. I'm going to shake it until just about all of them are stuck to the hairspray. And there you go, an easy ornament. And you don't have to worry about glitter falling out because they're inside the ornament. So this is a great way to have glitter ornaments without that glittered mess. And what you can also do if you want to have that glittered effect inside, you can use this and also dip it into that spray paint solution that we did earlier, and then you can have different layered or multi-layered ornaments. So again, super cute. You can always mix and match these things. Alright, so we did that with glitter. I'm going to show you how it might look with sprinkles. So I'm actually going to put into the same ornament since my colors include gold and blue. So spray some more, and I'm going to put some more in and see what happens. Cool. And start shaking. So that's just a glittered mess in there. It looks absolutely amazing. The hairspray works fabulously. Alright, so let's say you only have Epsom salt. We're going to try that out too. Alright, so let's get our funnel and we're going to start scooping in some Epsom salt. Alright, so some of the salt pieces are sticking, some are not, so I'm just going to dump out all the ones that are not. I'm going to put in some more hairspray, and I'm actually going to throw in some gold. So we got some gold glitter in there. It gives it that speckled look. So I like that, but I don't like that it's so plain. So what I'm going to end up doing is just going to put this into another spray paint solution. So it's going to have that marbling effect on the outside, and then it's going to have that speckled effect on the inside. So definitely nothing goes to waste here. We can always fix art, or we can always make it better. So plus it's just going to be creative. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed making ornaments just as much as I did. These ornaments look so good, so beautiful, and they look very expensive. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you're new and you made it this far, you might as well click on that subscribe button and click on that notification bell. That way you don't miss an upload. Other than that, I'll see you all next time. Bye!